Today we're looking at SYNNEX Corporation with ticker symbol SNX. The last quote from Friday was $35.37. SYNNEX Corporation is a leading business process services company servicing resellers and original equipment manufacturers around the world. Specifically, they do IT distribution, supply chain management, contract assembly, and provide global business services. Their customers include top manufacturers in the IT industry and more than 15,000 resellers. Key suppliers include HP, Intel, Seagate, Microsoft, and Lenovo. The thing that brought them to my attention is what we're going to go over next. We'll start off by seeing a table here of EPS for the last several years, and what you'll notice is a consistent earnings growth, EPS increasing every year, and also currently the 3-year average PE is at a value level 10.69. This is even more interesting based on looking at these return on equity numbers seen here. So pretty good return on equity numbers for a company with this type of PE ratio, all above 10% for the last 5 years, 14% last year. And the most amazing thing is they're currently trading at book value. And the asset to liability ratio we see here 1.8, so a reasonable level. And additionally, another thing to consider about the financial position, long-term debt to capital is also not too bad, 14.3%. So all this combined, consistent earnings history, good return on equity numbers, not too much debt, and trading at book value makes SYNNEX an interesting stock to consider. Here we see the graph for the last several months, and we see that it's actually done quite well in the last month or so, just like the general market. So definitely the price has already moved up some, but considering that it's still trading at book value, reasonable PE ratio, and so on, it's still an interesting stock to consider, especially if we see a pullback in the general market and SYNNEX in the next days or weeks. So one to keep an eye on and possibly even start a position in. That sums it up for this edition. Remember to check the blog with the address seen here for the next post. Thanks. Bye.